Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and very good evening to you. Hope so you all are fine. This is your maths class, and today we will learn about new thing, and that one is addition. So come and let's learn addition. How to add numbers. Here you can see one banana is here, so we will write number 1. Then plus sign is here, addition sign that called plus sign. On the second row there is 2 banana. 1 plus 2. So we will count all the bananas 1, 2, 3. How many bananas are here total? These are 3 bananas. So we will write number 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Let's see one more example for you. And that one is donuts. Here you can see donut. On the first row there is 2 donuts. So we have write number 2. Then plus sign. On the second line, here are 3 donuts. 1, 2, 3. So we will write number 3. Let's count all the donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many these are total donuts? 5. 5 donuts are here. So we will write number 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's see one more example. Here is some fishes for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes are here. So we have write number 4 on the first line. Then plus sign. Then 2 fishes are here. We have write number 2. 4 plus 2. We will count all the fishes. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total fishes are 6. How many fishes are here total? 6. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now open your book, and your book page number is 4949. Here you can see, here is the addition concept. Plus sign you can see here. Plus mean addition, add karna. So you have to count all the twice and then write number. In the first line there is 2 train, one is right side and one is on the left side. So one question is done for you. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, how many bear are there? Teddy bear. On the one side there are 2 bear plus 1. So you have to write 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next there is boy, baby boy. So you have to count. On the one side there are 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. Then plus sign and then 1. Then you have to count all the boys. How many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After then you can see here are horses. So you have to count. On the first side there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then plus sign is here, then 1. So you have to write 4 plus 1. Then count all the horses. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this, count all the twice, then write it and then add it. Okay, let's open your next page. On the next page you have to count the number 1 to 10. As you can see, one stick is there, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. On the second row there is 2 stick. They write 2, then plus sign, then 1 stick is there. So you have to count all the sticks. How many these are? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write number 3. On the next line there is 3 sticks and plus sign and then 1. So you have to count all the sticks. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, and then one more is here, then it's called 4. Like this, complete your whole page. Do it by yourself and wait for my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.